One of the things that TubeBuddy is most useful at is when you're uploading a new video to YouTube. So let's see some of the things that the browser extension adds to your upload experience on YouTube. As you can see here, there are a few different things that TubeBuddy has added to your interface. There are some tag tools, and one thing I want to draw your attention to right away on the right-hand side is the demonetization audit. This will tell you if you use a word in the title, description, or tags that is likely to get demonetized by YouTube. This way you know before you publish the video, and then you can choose maybe a different word, a synonym, or a different phrase to hopefully avoid being demonetized, while hopefully still keeping the title, description, and tags accurate for your video. So you'll notice that as you populate your title, your description, and your tags yourself, that the related tags that are suggested down below by TubeBuddy will change and update. Now I want to note, full disclosure, what I'm using here is the legendary version of TubeBuddy. If you have the free version, you'll only receive 3 tag suggestions at a time. And so at the different paid levels, you can get a different amount of tag suggestions. As well, if you do decide to get the paid version of TubeBuddy, I recommend joining the Small YouTubers Boost Facebook group at facebook.com/groups/smallYoutubersBoost and check the announcements section for a special code that'll save you 20%. If you don't have TubeBuddy, click the link below, it is an affiliate link, this video is not sponsored, to install the TubeBuddy browser extension. Even the free version contains a lot of these functions and is quite useful. So if you scroll through the tag suggestions and you find something that's accurate to the video and you think would be a good keyword for your video, if you click on it, it will add it to your keywords and it will change the plus mark next to it will turn into a green check mark to show you that it has been added to your keywords. If you click on one of the magnifying glass icons next to a keyword, it will bring up the Keyword Explorer, which in this case is showing that I've selected a keyword that's very good for my channel. It shows that my search volumes for this keyword are relatively low, but the competition, while high, I do very well in myself. Further down, you'll see an interesting little number. In the middle here, it says lowest video view count found in the top ranking videos, which means if you're able to rank for this term, you should probably expect to get at least that many views on this video. It's not a guarantee, but it can help you manage your expectations. It also gives an estimate of how many views that it thinks a video using this tag would get on my channel. On the right is the related keywords. If you find something that is relevant to your video, you might want to consider using it. What I first recommend you do is you unselect the keyword you were doing research on, and then select the keywords in the related list that you're interested in using. Then, in the action section at the top, change the option from copy to clipboard using the drop-down box to insert into current video. When you select that, the copy box will change to insert. When you click insert, it will then put all of the related keywords that you've selected onto this new video of yours. Also, as you type out keywords yourself manually, TubeBuddy will suggest some autocomplete suggestions that might give you ideas for alternative keywords or longer tail keywords. Long tail keywords are generally a good strategy for smaller channels, so going for the longer but still accurate keywords is a good strategy. Even after you've published your video, the very next screen still has some useful functions from TubeBuddy, particularly the Best Practices box. This gives you 12 different suggestions on things you can do to maximize the chance that your video is going to do very well on YouTube. I recommend following all 12 of these as much as possible to make sure that you maximize your chance for success. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial video, and I recommend that you subscribe with notifications turned on. We often do live streams where we'll review channels, answer your questions, and do live tutorials, but you need to join the live stream as early as possible because we go chronologically from chat. The first person to speak in chat is the first person whose question, channel, or tutorial we're able to address. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.